So this video explains the story behind why I'm not going to university this year and why I'm staying at home and doing YouTube full time. Let me explain. I know it's a bit of a jump from not uploading for like a month to now going full time in it. Let me explain. So before this video probably starts, I want to thank Audible for sponsoring this video. Click the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial and get a free audiobook when you sign up. There's some great stuff on there. And I actually listen to them when I travel. It's quite nice just to have on in the car, something that isn't music, just to let your mind wander with. Yeah, so as a couple of you might know, I actually do videography full time. That's my full time job. As soon as I left college, I went straight into it. I normally do weddings, but this YouTube channel has been going around for a long time now, for like 2 years I've been on it. Yeah, regrettably I haven't uploaded as much as I should have done, but now I've got some really cool video ideas in the works, and I just want to carry those out and put great content on here. I know I've got like 4 or 5k subs, but if I post good content, I'm trying to post maybe 3 times a week to begin with. If I keep posting, hopefully we can grow this channel, and it will be quite a good adventure for all of us. I don't really know the content I'm going to be uploading yet, but it's mainly going to be lifestyle and tech based, and just cool challenges within a week, just like flipping money or flipping items, or see what we can do, or just having a go stuff online, how you can make money, and cool items that you can look at and we'll test out for you. I've got stuff in the works. I've got somebody who's actually going to come and help me film sometimes. We're going to plan some ideas out. I've had some ideas in my mind for ages, and they're going to look really cool, really high quality. Look at this quality here, 4K videos. I mean, look at that background blur as well, a nice wide angle lens. It's going to look sick. So I think 3 videos a week, every Monday, Wednesday and Friday are going to hit the channel. If it well, we're going to put more on the channel, and hopefully you guys will love watching those. So like the video below, click subscribe, and I can't wait to share videos onto this channel. Oh, and click the notification bell so you can get uploaded when we actually start uploading more, because it's going to be great content. It's going to look amazing. And by the way, these aren't my dogs here, we're just looking after them for a while, so I thought it would just be cute for the video. Look at him. And I can't forget this one, can I? Come here, you.